Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Let's do an unboxing on the DJI Mic 2. We're going to open the box. Here's everything. This comes in a case already. All right, let's unzip the case. Let's see exactly. There's the case that's going to charge them. Looks like we got some windscreens. Okay, so here's the two windscreens. We got a charging cable. Looks like an audio cable. We got a sticker here. It says press to unlock. Let's take that off. All right, now we can press. Ooh, there's what it looks like. It's very nice. It's showing you the charging state. Looks like there's no little pieces of tape we've got to take off. These are already being charged. Let's take a look here. Yeah, nothing's charging. All right, or nothing's preventing it from charging. They're not fully charged. So the first thing we want to do is charge it with the USB-C right here. This is a metal case. And it doesn't open unless you press that button. Let's take this out. That charges. We've got the adapters, each one Lightning and USB-C. And then I'm going to be using USB-C. And I could put this like on a micro or a Sony camera or something, but I'm going to be using this on my iPhone. Looks like we got to take this little piece off here. We're going to slide this. All right, it kind of clicks into place. Now we can put this on our camera. Looks like we got a mic button. Or no, that's right now. Okay, English, we want to press English. Press the button. Okay, I was having a hard time selecting the language. I was kept pressing this button. That scrolls it over, but it's a touch screen. So you got to hit the little arrow, then it's going to ask you for the date and time. There's the power button. The power button will lock the screen. So I didn't realize it was a touch screen. So here are the two transmitters. And then here is the receiver. Now this is not, that's like a cold shoe mount. We got an in and an out. We do have a USB-C on the back, power button. And that's also like a button you press to change the mode. So yeah, we have the two adapters here. There's an arrow and there's an arrow. So start back here and slide it up. You'll hear it kind of click into place. Here's the case. There's kind of a big spot here, 3 little compartments, and then another little compartment there. Again, these do charge through those contacts right there, but you can also charge it through USB-C. We've got a power button, we got a light, another light, pairing button. We also have a magnet or the clip. And the magnet goes either way. All right, I like that it goes either way. And we have a lapel. You can put a lapel mic, but it does not come with that. Here's this audio cable, and this is the charging cable. This is the USB-C to USB-A. You're going to charge it right here in the back. Again, this is all metal. Okay, let's do some measurements. Transmitters, 1 3/4. You know, about 1 inch with the clamp, and about 1 1.25 inches that way. The receiver, about 2 1/8. Sticks out about 1 1/8 inches, and it's about 3/4 inch tall. The case, 4.5 by 1.5 inches by 2.25 inches. Yeah, the windscreens will go on through that port right there. You just snap it on like that. Pull it off. There's all the charging points. Huh, yeah, it's better if you put... Oh, one charging light's over here and another one's here, so you don't see them both on the same side. I do like that you can put this in the case with the adapter on it. Everything auto pairs when you take this out. This is going to pair with this automatically. You even get a little check mark, let you know you got that installed right. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.